my name is Stella. I am a student at 평촌 and today I will talking about my favorite season. Some countries have only one season or two seasons, but in Korea there are four seasons. There are spring, summer, fall, and winter. Among these seasons, the worst season is this summer. The reason is because in summer it's too hot. These days, because of global warming, summer becomes more and more hot, so I don't like it. But my favorite season is winter. There are two reasons to support my answer. First, in winter, I can play with my friends or my family in the snow. In December, snow starts to fall. In snow day, I can do many things with snow. For example, I can make a snowman or doing snow fight with my friends or my family. There is my personal experience. Last year, I went to my grandmother's house and I made a snowman and had a snow fight with my father. I'm very excited to do that, so I loved that so much. Also, when I was 9 years old, I went outside with my mom and I met my friends. They were playing with snow, so I want to play with them. But when I was 9 years old, I didn't like snow because it's too cold, so I didn't touch it. However, I loved the snow that day because I played with them, so exciting. As a result, I like winter so much. Second, in winter, I can go to Snowland. Snowland is a place that I can play with snow. I can play many things with snow there. For example, I can do ice skating in a rink, or I can ride a snow slide, or I can ride a tube and go down quickly. There are more exciting play rides, so I always go there every winter. When I was 10 years old, I went there and I loved it there so much. I will go to there this winter too. To summarize, my favorite season is winter for two reasons. First, I can play with my friends or my family in the snow. Second, I can go to Snowland. Thank you for listening to my presentation.